Good morning all, this is Dr. Ratnesh. Today I'll be talking about the important points in relationship with the question asked in AIPGT 2020. One such question was persistent cough, tenacious sputum, wheezing, clubbing, tram track sign, and the answer to this question was bronchiectasis. Now what are the salient features of bronchiectasis? What is bronchiectasis? First of all, it is an abnormal, दूसरा it is permanent, third it is dilatation, and dilatation of what? Bronchi, and this may be one or greater than one bronchi. Now important points in relationship with the sign and symptom. So first I will talk about the signs, first I will talk about the symptoms. The symptoms will be in relationship with the cough, in relationship with the hemoptysis. Now, the first important is cough. The important point with the cough it is either while getting up in the morning or retiring in the evening. So this cough is relation with the posture. So whenever there is a change in posture, you have a cough. Now, second important point with the cough is the character of the cough. The character of the cough, it is purulent, then it is offensive, then it may be also tenacious. Now, the second point it is hemoptysis. Hemoptysis, this hemoptysis may be along with the cough, along with expectoration I should say, or without expectoration. Without expectoration. So without expectoration is known as dry bronchiectasis or bronchiectasis sicca. Now along with this, you may find even patients' presentations what? Anorexia, loss of weight. This also may be just like tuberculosis, you may find here also. Then you have even febrile symptoms also. And when febrile symptoms are present, when the surrounding tissue of this area get inflamed, then you have pyrexia, that is fever with chills. Now we'll talk about the signs. Before going into this hemoptysis, you have questions in relationship. The first question, which is most hard, which is the most common cause of hemoptysis. The first most common cause is chronic bronchitis or bronchogenic carcinoma, of which chronic bronchitis is more. If you have both the option, you will write chronic bronchitis. If you have either one of them, then you write either chronic bronchitis or bronchogenic carcinoma. The second question is the most common cause of bronchitis in India. You have tuberculosis. Then the third important question is most common cause of massive hemoptysis. This massive hemoptysis you will find at two places in India or worldwide. India it is tuberculosis, and the worldwide it is your bronchiectasis. Now we go down into the signs. The first important sign which I'll be talking about is the clubbing. This physical sign, you'll find clubbing in the hands and the toes. Then you will find the signs, auscultatory signs. Here important thing to note is everything you find is finding at the base. So when you auscultate, you will auscultate posteriorly. So finding will be posteriorly where? At the base. And what is that auscultatory finding? It is coarse leathery rails. This is the classical finding. Otherwise, you may even have V's. Now we go down into the investigation point of view. So when you do CBC, you find neutrophilic leukocytosis. This is neutrophilic leukocytosis and ESR is raised. When we go down into the X-ray findings, I'll talk about the X-ray findings. What are the X-ray findings? The X-ray finding, again, you will find at the base of the lungs. You find two shadows, that is glove. This is again an infrequently asked question. Glove finger shadow or tram lines or tram track sign or multiple rings. So we have seen, we have found clubbing, we found tram track sign, we found tenacious sputum. So this question was bronchiectasis. The next video with the comparative, I will talk about the tuberculosis and try differentiating it.